Good morning, welcome to today's video. Today is an exciting day because you see this 1983 shovel I have right here behind me, this butterscotch bike. I did this bike on a raffle. So I bought it, had it fixed up by my friends here at South Main Iron in Paris, Texas, and then we put it online for a 60-day shovel raffle. I called it a 60-day shovel because we just sold as many tickets as we could sell in 60 days. My biggest thing was I didn't want to do one of these raffles where everybody, oh, I gotta sell 500,000 tickets and 2 years later you're still raffling this bike off and nobody's taking it home. I said 60 days, I got to fix the bike up, sell tickets, and someone's taking this girl home. And today, the winner of this bike came to pick it up all the way from Phoenix, Arizona.
Dwayne Pelletier, Cave Creek, Arizona.
And you came all the way down, you drove down here?
Drove.
What'd you drive down?
Pickup truck.
Yeah, you could throw it in the bed?
Yep.
Bang her home.
Yep.
So did you think you were gonna win when you bought the tickets?
No, just wanted the t-shirt.
Just wanted the t-shirt. So we did a deal where if you bought so many tickets, you get a custom one-of-a-kind t-shirt that we only made for this raffle. And so you bought enough just to get the t-shirt, and you ended up getting the t-shirt and a motorcycle.
Yep.
You got a motorcycle and a t-shirt with your own motorcycle in the back.
I know, I can't wait to drive it to Cave Creek Bike Week.
Well, look at this thing. I just love this color. This is just an absolutely unique, amazing color. And this is actually a factory color in 1983 when this bike was from. We put all new tires on it, the white walls, classic, got it all tuned up and fixed up. The tour pack's detachable. It's got a little seat that can go on the back that's sitting in this saddlebag, but the condition of this bike is absolutely immaculate. I mean, this is a true survivor.
Oh, I love it. It's way better in person.
It is better in person, huh?
It's clean.
Clean, clean. And you're a car guy. Like
I got 3 other Harleys, but I'm a car guy.
Yeah. So when you say clean, you know what you're talking about. Yeah, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited for you to get it. So what's the plans? You're gonna take it home and you're just gonna bang it around Cave Creek, or what's your thoughts?
That's gonna be my tavern to tavern bike.
He's gonna be the coolest guy in the tavern because this thing is bad to the bone. You're gonna let me ride it when I come to Arizona? I do come to Arizona quite often. I love Arizona Bike Week. I love going to Cave Creek. I got a lot of friends in that area. So I'm gonna be visiting. You gonna let me take you for a reminiscing ride?
Absolutely.
All right.
Gotta go through town.
I'm gonna hold you to it. I'm absolutely holding you to it. So do you think I should do another one of these 60-day shovel giveaways?
You should do something. Try to get a pan.
A pan? Yeah, well, we might have to sell those for 160 days because those things are high dollar, high dollar. Well, this thing's beautiful, man. We put some great work into it here. My friends at South Main Iron, you guys, this is in Paris, Texas. They've got side-by-sides, they've got motorcycles, they've got everything you can think of here. If you want it, they can get it. You call my boy Ryan, he's a local business owner here. He started this up a few years ago and he has just done really, really well with it. I mean, look at some of these bikes he's got here. I do like that Segway with the big tires. That thing looks good. Look at this Honda Goldwing trike. There's an old school Indian. Lots of really cool bikes in here. Everything you can think of. Dirt bikes, springers, crotch rocket. Yeah, I still say crotch rockets. They bitch at me when I say it, but man, it's how I grew up talking. It's not a disrespect, it's just, it's what it is. You know, my first bike was a crotch rocket. Well, sort of a crotch rocket, not really. Wasn't too much rocket in it. It was a Katana 600. That was my very first motorcycle I had for street legal. I had some, mini bikes and stuff when I was a kid, Rups. That was my first like street legal motorcycle, Katana 600. I always dreamed of someday having a Harley, and now, man, look at, man, I'm V-twinning it all over the country. I've got an old Springer that's a few years older than this, but the same Shovelhead engine, and I absolutely love that bike. So these old bikes are a ton of fun to ride. If you get a chance to get on one, get on one. I'm gonna consider doing another 60-day shovel project. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Maybe if I get, let's put a number out there. If I get, let's say 5,000. If I get 5,000 likes on this video, I will do another 60-day shovel. I'll go find one, I'll buy one, I'll fix it up, and I'll sell tickets for 60 days and give it away to one of you, and you can go home with a bike, just like my boy. Congratulations, man. All right, man, I'm gonna film you starting it for the first time. You do what you gotta do, check what you wanna check. These guys would absolutely kill me if I left this video without you getting to start this old girl. Heck yeah. Looks good on you. They've had this thing on the showroom. Ryan says it's gotten more attention. Let's go see if we go find Ryan. How much attention have you gotten on that bike sitting in your showroom floor?
Oh my gosh, a lot.
Everybody
a lot.
loves it.
Everybody loves it.
Yeah, it is an amazing bike, man.
Yep.
I was telling everybody that you sell just about every kind of machine possible known to man here,
Yep.
and that they should come check you out if they're looking for what?
Anything power sports other than watercraft.
No watercraft.
No watercraft. Motorcycles, side-by-sides, UTVs, four-wheelers. Golf carts, anything power sports other than watercraft.
Ryan is a good friend of mine, y'all, and I definitely recommend giving him a call. He helped me out a lot on this build. He actually partnered with me on the build, so thank you for doing that.
Thank you.
It looks great. Y'all did a wonderful job on the work you did on it, and I know Dwayne's super happy with this.
I know. I hate to see it go.
Yeah.
I hate to see it go.
Yeah, me too, man. I almost thought about keeping this thing. Dwayne, I'm gonna see you in Arizona with that bike, man.
You're gonna ride it downtown.
I'm gonna ride it downtown. I'm gonna ride it to the hideaway
Yep.
one night. Just pull in there, blah, 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 blah.